Hi everyone. I thought I would like to give you a short tutorial to show you how your child is being taught to use place value to add. So let's take a look at this problem first, 25 plus 13. What your students are being taught to do is to take the numbers and break them into their place values. So 25 has two place values, a tens and a ones, and it is a 20 and a 5. The 5 is in the ones place, the 20 is the tens place. There's two tens and five ones. The 13 is broken into one 10 and three ones. Then the students are asked to add what is alike. So they add the ones together and then they add the tens together. 5 plus 3 will give us 8. 20 plus 10 will give us 30. Once they have combined likes, then they put it all together. 30 plus 8, the answer is 38. So that's using place value without regrouping. This problem, they are also using place value, but this contains a regrouping element. They are asked to look at 47 into its two place value components, 40 and 7. And the 18 breaks into 110 and 8 ones. And again, they are asked to add the similars, what is like, all the tens, all the ones. 40 and 10 gives us 50, or 5 tens. But 7 and 8 give us 15. So the students are also taught to then break this double digit into its place value components. So the 15 is 110 and a 5. At this point, they regroup this 10 with this 50. And now they have 60. And they have 5 left over. So their answer is 65. Now, you might be very used to using your algorithm, and you're wondering, how does this look when you do the regular adding? Let's take a look. 7 plus 8 is still 15, and you are taught to put a 5 in the ones place and carry the 1. Why are you carrying the 1? It's because you're not carrying a 1. You're carrying a 10. This is still the tens place. This is still the ones place. You've carried a 10. This 4 is actually a 40. This 1 is actually a 10. So even though we are ignoring the zeros because they're just place value holders for us, we are adding our ones and we are regrouping the 10. And 40 plus 2, but plus 2 tens, 20, is 60. And our answer remains the same. Let's take a look at it at a little bit higher number where your students will be going, your children will be going. Right now we're building our skills for double digit plus double digit. We will be moving on to triple digit plus double digit. We still break everything up into its place values, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. 153 breaks into 100, 50, and 3. The 28 breaks into its two components, 20 and 8. When we add the 8 plus the 3, we get 11. 11 needs to be broken down into a 10 and a 1. This 10 is regrouped with this group. So we have 1 here. We have a 10 plus a 50, which is 60, plus a 20, which is 80. And 100 with nothing is 100. So our answer is combining these place values, 100, 80, and 1. 100, 80, and 1. Using the regular algorithm, 8 plus 3 is 11, Here's 1, carry the 1, but remember you're not carrying a 1, you're regrouping a 10. Here's a 10, here's a 10, here's a 10. 50, 60, 70, 80. We are still at 80 and 100, and our answer remains 181. I hope this was helpful. I will make another one when we start using place value to subtract, which is very similar and yet has its own differences. Let me know if it helped, and thank you for watching.